Hey guys, I'm Rahul from TechReviewPro, and without any further delay, let's learn how to change Siri language on your iPhone or iPad. In order to change the language of Siri on your iPhone or iPad, what you have to do is you have to first of all go to settings, and when you are in settings, you have to scroll a bit and you'll find Apple Intelligence and Siri. So once you see that, tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri, and that will take you inside the Apple Intelligence and Siri settings on your iPhone or iPad. Here, in order to change the language, you'll see under Siri requests, you'll see the language, which is currently English India. So tap on that, and here you can select any other language that you want to set as Siri language for your iPhone or iPad. Here I have selected English India, so I'll tap on this and then I can change my preferred response language. Here I can select English and Hindi, and then Siri will respond in Hindi as well. So I have changed my Siri language from English only to English and Hindi both. And now you can talk to Siri in Hindi as well. So this way you may change Siri language on your iPhone or iPad. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to turn off Siri on your iPhone or iPad, then tap here to watch this video.